Welcome back, YouTubers. Thank you for joining me. And today we are working on a 2015 Ford Mustang 5.0. We are doing the AC compressor on this. I already got the new one in. Just wanted to show you guys how I did it. I've got my light here. So first off, you're gonna have these 13mm bolts. There's a bracket holding it. I'll show you guys the bracket in a little bit, but they're 13mm. You gotta move this harness out of the way. That's the plug for the AC compressor itself. Then I went after this sway bar. You got this 19mm on both sides. Remove those. You have to remove the sway bar to get it out of the way. It's in the way. The AC compressor will not come out if you don't remove the sway bar or get it out of the way. Then next you got this under chassis bracket. These are all 15mm. 15. I dropped this whole bracket just to get out of the way. Then here's the other side to the sway bar. I went ahead and unbolted it. Yeah, sorry guys, I'm trying to do this with one hand and hold the camera. I just push on the sway bar. I mean, like I said, you could remove it. Then the AC compressor would just come out of that slot right there. It's kind of tight, but it does come out. Take your time. It's a little tight. Here's the bracket that I wanted to show you guys. They're held on by 13mm. This holds the harness onto the AC bracket. You need this bracket to hold the harness. Here's the new seal kit. It came in the box with the new AC compressor. You're going to want to go ahead and change out all the seals. You have to change out the seals or it will cause a leak. The seals are for the high pressure lines and the low pressure line. Here's the new belt for the AC compressor. You don't have to use this brand, but you will need a new belt. This is a roll-on style. I use the zip tie trick. So I got the new seals in my hand. I'm going to show you guys how to change out the seals. Really easy. Slides right on, slides right off. Just be careful not to damage the seals. Made out of rubber. There's the old one. Grab a little pick. It should come off. There's the other hose right there. Do the same. This was the bracket from earlier that holds the harness onto the AC compressor. They're 13mm nuts. You're going to want to tighten them down. After you tighten them all down, go ahead and plug in your AC harness. After that, you want to go down here to your lower engine bracket and tighten up all these 15mm. Then go ahead and tighten up your sway bar link back up. That's 19 millimeters on both sides. This is the serpentine belt tensioner. Push to the left, loosen up the belt. Went ahead and draw the diagram for you guys. If you like this content, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more information and content. Thank you.